silent noise, as the radio turned to static. My world became dark. I felt so empty and lonely. I wish that I have someone who I can talk to, so I can tell all of my problems. However, in my case, it's impossible. You see, I locked myself in my room. Just a window that is facing the woods. The room is pretty big and very wide. I live alone. Just a grumpy old man now. I had a wife and 2 kids, but they left me because of circumstance that I won't say. Let's just say, it's my fault. Finally the radio has a signal again. I can listen to my favorite country music. I always feel so relaxed when I listen to music. It always calms me down. I always have a habit that, if it's too silent, I really get depressed. Don't even ask why or how. I just do. The silent creeps behind me. It's like an invisible force that I can't explain. Every time the radio goes to static, I know the silent is here. At first I thought the radio had poor signal, but then someone told me, when the radio goes to static, try to make noise. If you don't, the silent will take your sound away. So that's my life now, making noises, so I don't have to let my sound disappear. I hope my radio won't go to static. My last chance of noise is the woods. Outside my room, the rustling trees will keep the silent away. I just hope that the silent won't take me away. Thank you for listening.